In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and tap on this square button to access background apps. Now you need to hold your app, click on this icon under padlock with two rectangles, tap on home button and select the other app, like gallery. As you can see, after that I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app all the way up or all the way down and click on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!